Day 37. Consecrated to Christ. Reflection. St. Carlo didn't flirt with God. He was all in. He didn't give Jesus a piece of his life, but the whole. That's what consecration means, living for Christ, with Christ, in Christ, not just during a novena, but for good. It's not about being perfect. It's about letting Jesus take his rightful place at the center. When Carlo said yes, heaven took root in his ordinary days. We're invited to do the same, not just believe, but belong, not just follow, but surrender. Prayer to St. Carlo. St. Carlo, you gave your entire life to Jesus. I ask you now to walk with me as I do the same. For the teen still unsure, the mum overwhelmed, the patient in pain, the creator on the edge, pray that we may have courage to say yes,